Hello friend, my name is Abhyatek. Today I am going to tell you about a wonderful website from which you can earn a wonderful income. If you are visiting for a first time, click on my channel and click on the green bell button and click on the bell icon button so that my income video reach you first. The link to this website, the name of the website will be found in the description. So this is token is wonderful. The token name is Jeffy token. Well, the best place to play to earn and token NFT and contribute to heroes in uniform. And 46 BNB and 100 BNB private price pre-sale and global goal 46%. And JFE token is the first token that refutes on shopping or not only the trade to video game for the change chance to earn money but also on sporting our horses around the world from and read out let me down telegram and play to earn and exclusive pre-sale ends the countdown is finished and play to earn competition and going on right now. The Jeffy token team is powered to announce that we have our first pay to earn video game and competition going on right now. The competition will be going with the legal and getting rest weekly with the new gravely going each week. Only these who have contributed to the Jeffy token and read out let me down and Jeffy token video is watch and let video is watch and top Jeffy token top play to earn Jeffy winners this month and read out and let me down 2021 and 9/20/29 admin play to earn and competition going to right now. Read more about us. Let me about us. Jeffy has been created by a group of developers with vast expensive and BSc project. We are junior forces together and giving the solution to token holders and console of players of our games and read out. Then Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, Telegram, Reddit, follow us and contact us. Telegram and exclusive please save and the continue in finish. And let me up click the three dot button home play to earn roadmap click the roadmap recent active roadmap and page 1 page 2 page 3 and step 1 step features tokenomics 2% tax distribute holder 2% tax by back wallet 1% tax distribute and one and readout let me down Defi wallet will be used donation and buyback of the token for burning in order to reduce the number of Jeffy token and let me down about us Jeffy token and follow us and click the three button and team core team Jeffy token team Jeffy token Jeffy means boss Jeffy play to earn and sports and horse play to earn all developer marketing NFT artists and Benjam and developer operation Jeffy token Stefan and let me see this team Jeffy token about this and three dot fake and buy here sports and swap coming soon. So friends, if you like my video then please to like and subscribe. Okay, Allah Hafiz.